Why some children struggle with anger, fear, or low confidence even when parents, teachers, and caregivers are honestly trying their level best? It's very important to understand that most behavior problems are not bad behavior at all. They are signals. They are signs of wrong or painful experiences in childhood. Hello friends, I am Dr. Antony. In this video, I want to convey parents, teachers, and caregivers see children differently. I will explain some common wrong childhood experiences, how they shape a child's behavior, and simple practical things you can do to help your children heal and grow. 1. Lack of love or attention. When children don't feel loved, noticed, or emotionally important, they begin to doubt themselves. They may become insecure, clingy, or start seeking attention in negative ways. This is not manipulation. It's a child asking, "Do I matter?" Solution is simple. Spend daily one-on-one time with the child, even if it's 10 minutes. Put away your phone, look at them, listen, show love through kind words, gentle touch, eye contact, and full presence. Second, constant criticism or scolding. When children hear more criticism than encouragement, they begin to fear mistakes. They may become anxious, overly conscious, or develop low self-esteem. Over time, they stop trying, not because they don't care, but because they are afraid to fail. The intervention is correct behavior calmly and firmly without attacking the child. Praise effort, improvement, honesty, and courage. Let children know it's safe to learn and grow. Third is harsh punishment or physical abuse. Harsh punishment teaches fear, not discipline. It may stop behavior temporarily, but it damages trust and emotional safety. Children exposed to harsh punishment often develop anger issues, aggression, lying, or emotional numbness. Simple solution is that use calm, respectful, discipline approach. Set clear rules and explain consequences in a firm but caring way. Discipline should teach, not scare. Fourth, emotional neglect. When children's feelings are ignored or dismissed, they learn to shut down emotionally. They may struggle to express emotions or even understand what they feel. Later in life, this can affect relationships and mental health. Solution here is encourage children to talk about their feeling, express their feelings, listen without interrupting, correcting, or judging. Sometimes being heard is more healing than being advised. Fifth is witnessing parenting conflict or violence. When children regularly see shouting, fighting, or violence, their world feels unsafe. Even if the conflict is not about them, they absorb fear. This can lead to anxiety, anger, and trust issues. What's the solution? Keep arguments away from children as much as possible. If conflict happens, reassure them clearly and calmly that they are safe and loved. The sixth is inconsistent parenting. When rules change every day, children feel confused and insecure. One day something is allowed, the next day it's punished. This leads children to test boundaries or feel constantly unsecure and unsure. Simple solution is be consistent with rules and responses. Parents, teachers, and caregivers should agree on limits and expectations. Here, consistency creates safety. Seventh point, being compared to others. Comparisons deeply damage a child's self-worth. When children are compared to siblings, classmates, or relatives, they feel never good enough. This creates jealousy, pressure, and low confidence. Here is the solution. Appreciate each child individually. Recognize their strengths. Avoid comparisons completely. Eighth, bullying or peer rejection. Bullying leaves invisible wounds that last long after childhood. Children may become withdrawn, fearful, or angry. Some children turn the pain inward, others act it out. Solution is take bullying seriously. Listen to the child without minimizing their pain. Teach social skills and work closely with teachers and school authorities. Ninth point, excessive academic pressure. Too much academic pressure drains motivation and joy. Children may become stressed, fearful of failure, or emotionally exhausted. Learning turns into survival. The intervention here is focus on learning and effort, not just marks. Allow mistakes, make space for rest, play, and creativity. 10th, lack of safety and stability. Children need predictability to feel calm and secure. Unstable environments create restlessness, anxiety, and trust issues. Solution is create simple daily routines, keep promises whenever possible, provide steady and reliable care. 11th one, shaming or humiliating a child. Shame attacks child's identity, not their behavior. It creates guilt, withdrawal, and deep feeling of worthlessness. Simple solution is correct behavior privately. Separate the child from the behavior. Let them know they are good even when their behavior needs correction. 12th, ignoring emotional pain. Unexpressed emotions can't disappear. They come out as tantrums behavior, defiance, or emotional wounds and outbursts. Behavior is often bottle up emotion. As solution, first validate the child's feelings. Help them name emotions like anger, fear, sadness, disappointment. Guide them gently toward calming and problem solving to make them more emotionally intelligent. Children are not difficult by nature. Don't define a child is a problem. Instead, child has a problem. They are responsive. They react to what they experience. When adults offer safety, love, structure, and understanding, behavior changes naturally. And always remember, healing begins with accepting and understanding, having unconditional love and forgiveness.